Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stock My Closet. Today I'm sharing shirt collar draft. You can use the same method to make collar for any size. So let's get started. This is the paper I'm using. Double fold it. From on fold side, mark half of collar length. While measuring collar length, always keep a finger underneath the measuring tape. In my measurement, collar length is 16 inch, so half of it is 8 inch. Mark collar width 1.25 inch. Again mark half of collar length and join these points. From this point, mark same collar width measurement, that is 1.25 inch. Upwards, extend this point. Mark neck width, that is 2.75 inch from the on-fold side on both lines. This is back neck collar part. Now join these points with a slight curve. Mark a point at 1 inch and half inch inwards. Now give curve shape like this. So this is collar stand. Now I'll draft collar. Measure this width. This is 1 inch. Mark the same point 1 inch upwards. Extend this point. Again mark neck width 2.75 inch. Now I'll join these points with a curved line like this. This is collar baseline. Now collar width is your choice. I'm taking 1.5 inch. Extend it. Now from this point, mark 1/4 inch or 0.25 inch outwards and draw the line till the top. Join collar with a slant line at the intersecting point, and with this collar draft is complete. Now I'll cut it. This is collar stand and this is collar. You will get perfect collar with this method. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.